Don't spend big bucks on oat flour or colloidal oats because it's just so easy for you to do it at home.
Okay, if you have regular rolled oats, you can make your own oat flour or colloidal oatmeal. It's just a matter of putting it through a food processor. Let me just show you how easy this is. The food processor is not full enough, it might not work as well. Oat flour or colloidal oats, whichever one you need. I'll show you how it is. There you got it, right there. It wasn't that easy. You don't need to go out and buy a separate bag of oat flour. Or on those cosmetics, pay for colloidal oatmeal. Now another way to make oat flour or colloidal oatmeal is with immersion blender. Now all you do, you got rolled oats here. I just have them in this quart jar, and I'm just going to stick this in here and blend. And now you've got your oat flour. You see how simple that was to do. Now when you're making oat flour, once you've made it, you want to store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it.
Soon I will be posting video recipes with oat flour and on using colloidal oatmeal for skincare and healing. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes and I hope they will become yours. Now if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.